Hello, hi hyeons! On a busy plus rainy days, nothing beats a plate full of buttery, fragrant fried rice. It's comforting, easy to make, affordable, and also reminds you of your mom's cooking at home. So today's video, your favorite chef, Cillies, are going to show you step by step on making this affordable dish. So without further ado, I'm going to show you the ingredients. So you'll need a garlic, 2 garlic, and also chilies. I prefer using red eye chilies because I want to have that kick in my fried rice. And you need to have an egg and also butter. So I'll be using Buttercup brand because it's salted, but if you don't have a salted butter, it's okay. We're going to flavor it with MSG and salt anyways. And lastly, you need to have this leftover rice because leftovers rice work the best. If you have a fresh rice, it's okay, but if you didn't finish your rice on one sitting, it will let out a sticky texture, which means your rice is basically spoiled. So without further ado, we're going to make this fried rice. So first thing first, you're going to heat your pan. I usually using a wok actually because you want that wok hay, but any pan is okay as long as you have a place to cook. So you'll need a half spoon of butter. So we're going to melt this butter. So the first step is actually going to make the base for this fried rice. So while the butter is melting, we're going to put in the chopped ingredients. Yes. All right. So we're going to cook this slowly. Wait until the garlic turn into golden. All right. So while the garlic is sauteed, you're going to smell a familiar fragrance, which is you usually smell whenever your mom is cooking. So next, we're going to add the fish cake if you have to, but if you don't have it, it's okay. It's up to your preference. We're going to saute everything. Alright. And now put in the eggs. The egg, not eggs. We just have one egg. So, because of the garlic has turned golden so fast, this pan is quite heated enough. So we're going to add 1 teaspoon of salt. And also, the same goes to MSG. And you're going to add more butter because we want that buttery texture. Sorry, I cut out with the cough there. Alright. And cook the base thoroughly. And if you think your base is cooked enough, you're going to put the leftover rice. But we're going to let this cook for a couple of seconds. And I think it's done. I'm going to put the rice. 1 bowl of rice goes in. Yes. So we're going to mix the base with the leftover rice thoroughly. Mix in, mix. So we don't want any chunk of rice in our plate. So you're going to mix this carefully. Okay, the heat goes up. Beat the rice. We almost done, but we're going to let it mix more. Oh my god, it smells so good and I'm starving. It's so easy to make this dish whenever you need and if you're feeling hungry. And there you have it, your simple yet affordable fried rice. So we're going to plate it. Oh my god, it's a bit hot in here. If you know. Alright, get ready your plate. Put it on nicely because we like nice food and flavor it with your plating. And oh, that's quite a lot for one person. And there you have it, a simple buttery fried rice. It looks so good. Thank you for watching, guys, and I hope this video really helps you whenever you miss your mom's cooking and also want a quick simple dish whenever you want, especially if you're a student with a tight budget. So thank you for watching and I'll see you on the next video.